Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. Can a clogged particle filter cause a valve seat to come loose? Idio, let's see. This is not common at all, but it can happen. We have already seen it. And what is this due to? Let's see. This is a cylinder head, and this is a valve seat, which is a ring of hardened steel. It also has other materials to resist the high temperatures of the combustion chamber. It is what the valve that I have there in my hand rests on. Here, the key is the composition of the materials. The cylinder head is mostly composed, made of aluminum, and the ring, the valve seat, is made up of steel for the most part. So what happens? When there is expansion due to heat, what happens is that the aluminum expands twice as much that the steel that is put there under pressure. Then, at normal working temperature, it would resist well. But of course, if a back pressure occurs because there is a blockage of the particle filter, the back pressure does not allow the gases to escape, or they take longer to come out, and the temperature begins to rise dangerously, and then that would produce excessive expansion of the cylinder head, and that could cause the valve seat to come off. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.